beam bridge are one of the simplest yet most widely used types of bridge design. Structurally, it's composed of horizontal beams supported at each end by piers. Ang bigat ng load ay pinapasa mula sa beam papunta sa piers. Mga materyales na ginagamit, pwedeng steel, pre-stressed concrete, or composite, affect its durability. Alam mo ba, ang Lake Pontchartrain Causeway sa USA ang pinakamahabang beam bridge sa buong mundo, over 38 kilometers. This type of bridge follows basic principles of statics and material strength. Kaya kahit simple siya sa design, highly efficient ito and economical for many civil engineering projects.